My husband will always be like, yay, each time I'm making ogbono soup because ogbono soup is his favorite soup. So this is my meat, this is stockfish. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ada and you're welcome to Ada's series. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always watching my videos each time I post a new video. So I just got back from the market, guys. I'm just coming back from the market right now. I want to make ogbono soup. This ogbono soup is for my husband. Yes, my husband will always be like, yay, each time I'm making ogbono soup because ogbono soup is his favorite soup. Like, he loves ogbono soup. Give my husband ogbono soup as breakfast, he will thank you. He will gladly accept it. Lunch, dinner, just serve him ogbono soup all the time and he will thank you. My husband is a very big fan of ogbono soup. I don't know why. And he fell in love with ogbono soup after he got married to me. As a good cook that I am, I hammer him with my ogbono soup recipe, and before you know it, ogbono soup turned to his favorite soup. It's a kind of surprise though, because in the morning when he was leaving, he was like, what are we having for dinner today? I said jollof rice, because I normally make jollof rice Wednesdays and Thursdays. So that was what I had in mind before, but my husband said, why jollof rice? God doesn't want to eat jollof rice. And I said, okay, I will make ogbono soup, but I didn't tell him. I want it to be like a surprise package for him. So, and it's been long I made ogbono soup last. I think it's more than 1 month now. Yes, it's more than 1 month. It's getting late. Let's just dive right into the video. Let's start making this ogbono soup before it gets dark.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
First of all, I want to show you guys my ingredients. So this is my meat, this is beef and bomo. Yes, this is my stockfish and my mangala. This is stockfish and this is mangala, and this is my ogbono, my blended ogbono. Another one here is my blended crayfish with uziza and okpei. Yes, I blended all of them together, the three together. This is my pepper, salt, this is my salt here, and this is my seasoning cube. I love no Maggi. So let's start washing. So I'll be cooking the meat and the omo at the same time, because the omo is just a very soft omo, not that hard. It's not even hard fresh. So funny enough, guys, I don't like ogbono soup. I don't like eating ogbono soup. Not like I don't eat it at all. I eat ogbono soup, but not like. But I don't fancy it. No, I can stay a whole year without eating ogbono soup. Not even. A year is even too small. I can stay everlasting without eating ogbono soup. But my husband.
My baby, my wife. I thank God for blessing in my life. The highest blessing in my wife. She know how to sweet in my life, how to cool my heart. Cause you know Lord in my day in no day. She go dey manage you, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, oh. She love me better, mwanda de ma, chai, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo, honey mo, na my condo, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh. My life, my everything, and my wife, oh. She love me better.
In case you are hearing a big po from the background, it's my little madam. She's there with me, my small assistant.
Let's baby, my wife, oh.
So I want to separate my meat from this stuff. It's not my meat. I want to separate my beef. The beef, oh, not my meat and not my beef. Let me separate it from
my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, nata, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, nata, my baby, my wife, sugar mo, honey mo, na my no, my baby, my wife. I thank God for blessing my life today. The highest blessing in my wife. Oh. She know how to sweet in my life, how to cool my heart. Cause you know Lord in my day, no day, she go dey manage you, my wife.
I'm hungry. Oh. I'm not even interested in this ogbono soup. Oh, seriously. Let me eat one meat. Let me look for the small one. The smallest one. Bank habits. You guys, can you see my ring light? I'm using ring light because the kitchen is very dark. I always use ring light inside this kitchen. If not, the video will just be dark. Kasima! Kasima, come and take meat! What's this? Kasima, come and take meat! I think my husband is back. Let me go and check. Guys, my husband is back. I'll rush this cooking now. But he went straight to the bathroom. Let's check the soup, people. Mama, I don't know why I don't like you. You this ogbono. I don't know why. I'll be cooking this ogbono up to 15 minutes so because I don't want it to come and be testing ogbono. My
wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, nata, my baby, my wife, sugar mo, honey mo, na my no, my baby, my wife. I thank God for blessing my life, the highest blessing in my wife. She know how to sweet in my life, how to cool my heart. Cause you know Lord in my day, no day, she go dey manage you, my wife, my wife, my life, my
mylifeng.com.
wife, she love me better. Mata de ma, nata, my baby, my wife, sugar mo, honey mo, na my no, my baby, my wife, my wife, my wife, my life, my everything, my wife, she love me better. Mata de ma, nata, my baby, my wife, sugar mo, honey mo, na my no, my baby, my wife.
Our ogbono soup is ready.
mylifeng.com.
So that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you know what's up now. Do the needful. Like this video, share this video, give me your comment down below. What is your favorite soup, or rather what's your husband's favorite soup? Tell me all of that in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Let's go and devour the soup. But guys, let me just make sharp guys.